The next thing that comes after electricity and electric circuits are the conductors and the insulators. These are different objects which we find around us in our environment. So we have different objects around us. We have classified them as conductors and insulators on the basis of property whether they conduct electricity or not. Let us talk about conductors first. Conductors are made of materials that electricity can flow through them easily. And these materials are made up of atoms whose electrons can move away freely. This thing you will understand in higher classes. Now you understand only this thing, that the material that allow electric current to pass through them are called conductors of the electricity. And we have different examples of conductors around us. For example, copper, aluminium, platinum, gold, silver, water, people and animals. You have to be careful. Water is a conductor of electricity. Electricity can pass through it, so it can give us electric shock. Even people and animals are the conductors of electricity, and electric current can pass through them. Next comes the insulators. They are the materials opposite of the conductors, means the atoms are not easily freed and are stable in them, that prevents the flow of electricity. Means these are the materials that do not allow electric current to pass through them, and we call them insulators, which do not allow electric current to pass through them. For example, the objects which do not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulators, like glass, porcelain, plastic, rubber. All these are the objects, these are the examples of insulators, and electricity doesn't pass through them. They do not allow electricity to pass through them. So they are helpful for us, they will not give any electric shock. Electricity will always take the shortest path to the ground, and our body, it is 60% water, that makes us good conductor of electricity. So if a power line has fallen on a tree and you touch the tree, you become the path or conductor to the ground, and you could get electrocuted, means you can get a great electric shock. The rubber or plastic on an electric cord, it provides insulation. It provides an insulator for the wire. It is called insulation. By covering the wires of electricity, electricity cannot go through the rubber, and it is forced to follow the path on the aluminium wires. So it is safe to use. It will not give us electric shock. It will not be able to pass through rubber.